hate their father or, alam mo, yung tatay mo, ganyan. Nako, sabi ko na nga ba, mga lalaki. No, never. We were always friends.
Well, what about ito? Interested lang ako dahil, syempre, you've had other relationships. How was it with them? Na-accept mo ba agad yung mga relationship ng dad mo? Without your mom there, then you see na he hangs out with other people. Was it easy for you na may ibang mundo na yung dad mo kaysa sa inyo?
Not right away. That's a normal thing. You know, you still want it to be your mom. But through time, I got used to it. And, yeah.
Parang wala silang choice eh. She's never be your mother. She's not your mother.
She's not trying to be your
And
mother.
she's not trying to be your mother. If there's anything you don't like, or medyo napikon ka sa mga sinasabi niya, or whoever she is, or she may be, or he may be in his mom's life, alam ni Robin at alam ni Ram na kaibigan lang, hindi tatay mo, hindi nanay mo.
Okay, well anyway, what are your bonding activities? Parang ngayon na, okay na lahat yon, past is past. What do you do?
Thank God may Twitter ngayon, may Facebook ngayon.
Yeah, that's true.
We know how to...
Are you on Twitter?
I had no choice.
What's I'll follow you. Ano yung Twitter mo?
You're not following me?
I didn't even know you had
I'm
Twitter.
following you before pa.
Ay, announce mo na para magka-followers.
I would
Parang
block
third
you.
wheel ako dito, ha?
Sa pagbabalik ng Simply Casey, kamustahin natin ang closeness ng magama ngayong binata na sila Robin. Kaya huwag kayong bibitiw, magbabalik pa ang Simply Casey. Balita ko, close kayo sa anak mo.
Ako,
Paano niyo napapanatili yung closeness ninyo?
pag meron silang pamasahe na visit ko sila,
Magandang umaga. Okay! Hi, we're back. Yung mom and dad mo, are they friends?
Yes, they are.
Hindi, yung totoo, yung totoo.
Yes, they are.
Okay. Was there a time na hindi sila nag-uusap?
Yeah.
Dededmahan, gano'n.
How do you feel? Ask him
The
about
art
that.
of deadma.
Ayan.
Oo.
It's
Ano
really
yun,
an art.
na-master mo ba yung art of
Hindi
deadma?
pa. That's why it's always, deadma si Pops because mas marunong si Pops na, he's like,
Mas master si
like
Tita
Robin,
Pops.
they're not very expressive.
Hindi mo mabasa. May mga times, di ba? I'm sure na-experience mo, nag-aaway sila.
Yeah.
But never kami nag-away sa harap mo. We never fought in front of you.
No.
Never.
How are you with your youngest son, Santino? Madali bang ma-accept na meron ka
Yeah.
bunso
That.
na kapatid?
They loved it, I think.
I was happy when I found out Santino was gonna happen. I was happy about it. I was excited, and then I met him last year. Spent a lot of time with him.
So masaya naman na may baby brother. Do they welcome Santino with
I
open
think so. It seems that way. They love him. They
Yeah.
throw him around like a plaything.
They throw them around.
Does he call me?
Kuya. Kuya.
No, but
Kuya Abin.
Ikaw yung panganay, Robin, di ba?
yeah.
How are you as a kuya?
Oh, he's the best.
Do they run to you for anything? There are things they can talk to you about that they can't talk to your dad about?
Ram? Not about Ram, right? Yeah, Ram, yeah.
They're inseparable. Ram and Robin, they're always together. Same room.
Santino wala pa, he doesn't.
What's the age gap between you and Ram?
3 years?
And between you and Santino?
20 years, right?
20 years! Wow! Ano mangyayari bilang kuya? Will you be more like a dad or you're gonna still
Kuya,
be more
no,
like a
no.
good friend?
Older brother.
Older brother pa
Yeah.
rin. What is the difference sa tingin mo na binabarkada mo yung mga kapatid mo and then kuya ka ng mga kapatid?
With the Ram, parang we're like really good friends. We'll play games together. We'll, I don't know, we do a lot of...
Oh my goodness. Music,
No. Mostly...
video games.
Yeah, lots of that. Video games, we like to eat a lot.
Got it right.
It's parang... set like a good example because he's a baby, so I'll watch my mouth. I won't play so many video games.
Magpapaka-responsible ka.
Oh, it's true. He really tries. He's trying to teach him the piano in that video.
Yeah.
How old is Santino now?
He'll be 4 in October, so he's 3 now.
4. Oh, so medyo ano na yun, maliksi na yun, magulo na yun. Isa daw sa mga bonding activities nila, Tito Martin at Robin ay ang music, of course. At alam niyo ba na may grupo ng singers at musikero na sumisikat ngayon, pero kakaiba to dahil karamihan sa kanila ay mga tatay na nawalay sa kanilang pamilya. Pero hindi yun yung kakaiba doon. Ang kakaiba doon, sila ang mga Believe It Prisoners. Let's watch this. Nandito tayo ngayon sa New Believe It Prison sa Muntinlupa.
Kasi naman, kung ang Cebu, alam niyo yan, may mga dancing inmates, dito naman sa Bilibid ay meron tayong tinatawag na Grand Orchestra and Chorale. Oo, super another level talaga ang talents ng ating mga Philippine inmates. Kaya halika, meet natin sila.
Super excited na talaga akong ma-meet ang mga singing inmates. At bilang first time ko sa Bilibid, sinalubong ako ni Penal Superintendent Antonio Cruz.
Nandito po kami for the orchestra and chorale ng mga inmates dito sa Muntinlupa.
Yes.
Paano po sila nabuo?
Actually, we conceive of this dahil sabi natin, gusto natin pakita yung mga talento nila.
Yes.
So, nagkaroon tayo ng audition to compose the chorale.
Paano po nasusustain yung kagalingan nila sa pagtugtog sa pagkanta?
We meet for a rehearsals thrice a week.
Okay, maraming salamat,
Maraming
Superintendent.
This is it! Oras na para kilalanin ang mga talented inmates.
Mamamit na natin sila. Hello po. Hello. Sino ba dito ang mga daddies na? Oo, ang dami. Okay, pinadalaw po ba kayo ng pamilya dito?
Hindi po.
Hindi po? Kayo naman po. Namimiss niyo po ba yung pamilya dito?
Namimiss ko na po kasi matagal na kami hindi nakita.
Kayo naman po, Papa Joseph. Balita ko, close kayo sa anak mo.
Opo.
Paano niyo napapanatili yung closeness ninyo?
Pag meron silang pamasahe na visit ko sila,
Meron lang po akong bibigay ni Papa Joseph na isang sulat.
Dear Papa, Papa, I love you. Mahal na mahal kita at miss kita. Sana makalaya ka na. Lagi kang magdadasal para makalaya ka agad. Pinagdadasal ko lagi na huwag kang magkakasakit. I love you and I miss you always.
Anong gusto niyang sabihin sa kanya?
To my daughter, one day I will be free to be reunited with you again. My family. Thank you.
I believe that. All the best to you. Can I ask for a little message lang? Kayo rin po mga daddy sa mga anak ninyong nanonood ngayon ng Simply Casey.
Sana kahit pa paano, malaman mo na mahal ko kayong lahat. At pagbalik namin sa inyo dyan, ibang daddy na Delphin ang makikita mo. Wala na siguro yung mga dating pagkakamali noon.
Sa lahat ng mga iba pang daddy dito, nako, ayan, I'm sure manonood yung mga anak ninyo, magpakitang gilas na kayo. Ito po, kasama po natin ngayon si Director Oscar Calderon. Ito pong recognition po na nakakuha nila. Ano natutulot noon na pagbabago sa mga inmates?
Dito kasi sinasabi nila that the highest form of art is through singing, through songs at through playing instruments. At dito napapalambot natin ang puso nila. At least yung kanta namin siguro naririnig sa community.
Nakaka-amaze, nakaka-inspire. Ito pong naisip ninyong gawin para sa mga inmates natin. Thank you so much, Sir
Kaya
Calderon.
maraming salamat, Casey.
Really such a pleasure. Marami pong salamat
In
talaga.
behalf of my inmates, maraming salamat sa inyo sa programa niyo.
Alright, well, as much as ayoko munang umalis, we have to go back to the studio. See you there.
Okay! Kamusta naman ang mga prisoners ng Pilipinas? Napaka-talented. Eto na, Tito Martin, meron kang tweet about being a father. Tell us more about that.
About
On
being a
Father's Day,
father?
you tweeted
Oh,
something.
yeah. What did I say? Sa dami ko
There's
sinabi.
nothing more...
Nothing more rewarding than
Rewarding.
being a father? It's true. It's the most rewarding. I think of all the things, sa lahat ng mga achievements ko, sa mga awards ko, with the song we're about to sing, when I realized na talagang I'm a father, oh my gosh, that's the best thing in the world. I wrote the song, I'll Be There For You.
Before we sing, I'll be there for closing. Tito Martin, meron kaming surprise for you. Robin!
I've
Ano
been-
ang inihanda mo para sa daddy?
I was singing a song that's very a happy song but with sad words in it. So this song is not my song, but it's one of the songs that I said that I wished I wrote.